to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So I think this is the first video I film in this house, so welcome to my new room. I'm pretty excited. I am tired. We moved here like 18 days ago and I barely finished unpacking. I mean, I still have to organize a lot of things, but it's getting there slowly. But anyways, today I'm actually going to be filming 2 videos. So if you guys see me with the same clothes for 2 videos, that is why. Today I'm going to be unboxing 2 things that I got from Coca-Cola, and I did order this in May, or actually was it April? I can't remember, but I did get it in the end of July. So it did take a long time. But I'm excited that I finally have it, and I haven't been able to unbox it because I started moving, and then when I got here I didn't have time because I had to unpack, and I started school as well. Well, I started an online course for UCSD, so yeah, I've been super busy. And then I start school in Stan State next week, so August 22nd. So I wanted to unbox this before I started school, and yeah. Anyways, here is the box that I got, and I did open it already, but inside it comes with 2 other boxes, so I didn't open that. So I'm really excited. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm going to be opening this one first. And this actually came from SCUF Gaming, so they took forever to send me these 2 things. But it's okay, I finally have it and I'm really excited. So you guys will see that right now. I gotta get my blade. If I do look oily today, it's because it's kind of warm today. There's a heat wave right here. It's like 95 degrees. It's pretty funny. Okay, here it is. I'm super excited. Ta-da! So I did get a gaming mouse pad, and this is what it looks like. Well, this is way bigger than I expected. Okay, let me see. How am I gonna show you guys this? Okay, this is what it looks like, and it says Coca-Cola. And this one is the limited edition one with, it was like Coca-Cola and Pixel. So I'm super excited. I do have the shirt as well. So yeah, anyways. I'm really excited for this, but this is not gonna fit on my desk because my desk is obviously very small. So I'm going to have to get a bigger desk, hopefully soon, because I really want to use this. So yeah, that's really exciting, at least for me, because I love Coca-Cola, and it feels really nice. Like, it's a really nice thick material. It also says Coca-Cola down here. I'm planning on getting one of those standing up desks or stand-up desks. So hopefully I could get that soon, hopefully next month for my birthday or something. I'm actually not sure when this video will go up because I do have like 4 other videos or 5 that I need to edit before this. So, but I will try to edit everything this week. Hopefully I have time. Okay, anyways, here is the other thing, and as you can see, it's obviously a keyboard. This is also from SCUF Gaming, and this is the first time I ever ordered from them, by the way. So let me open it up. So this is what it looks like. I'm super excited for this. This keyboard measures 11 inches and a half, if you guys wanted to know. 11 and a half by 4. It does come with a cable, a USB-C. So this keyboard does have different settings for the lighting. So to change the lighting, we do press FN and C, and I believe this is watercolor right now. It looks really pretty. Looks like jello. And if we press it, we have this one, which is spiral rainbow, really pretty. And then we have rain. So that's nice. I really like this one. And then we have rainbow wave because it moves slowly. And I could actually change the speed of the lights or the effect, and that is FN and B. And it is a little bit faster, as you can see, so that's cool. And let's see, the next effect is this one, and this one is visor. And let's see if we can change the speed faster. That's cool. And let's see, the next effect is type lighting keyboard. So it changes as I type. Really nice. The next one is type lighting ripple. So, oh, that's nice. Did you guys see that? So cool. I love it. Okay, the next one is color shift. It just changes by itself. Let's change the speed of this. So that's faster, slower. Cool. And then we have color pulse. Let me change the speeds. Let's see. That's cool. And then lastly, oh no, there's two more. Then we have color wave. And that's what it looks like. Let's speed it up. So pretty. And then we have static color, and yep, that's just what it looks like. There's 8 different colors in this effect. So we change it, we get green, blue or purple, yellow, blue I guess, pink, yellow again, white, and yeah, and then we're back onto watercolor. And so I already told you guys to change the speed of the lighting effect, we press FNB, and then to change the direction it's FN plus V. Now it's going outward instead of inward. I think I changed directions. But yeah, anyways, I love this keyboard, it's so pretty. I love it. So I'm really excited that I finally got my keyboard, and I really like that it's small so I could actually carry it with me. I mean, not carry it with me, but put it in my purse. This like literally fits in my purse. I could connect it to my phone as well, so that's pretty cool. I'm really happy that I got this. When I saw this, I had to get it. This is so me. I love it. And it's so pretty. I love the colors and it feels really nice. So yeah, I'm super duper excited for this. So anyways, let me know in the comments below if you guys got anything from the Coca-Cola and Pixel collection, and if you did, let me know what you got, and also let me know what you guys think about my new keyboard. I'm super excited. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.